Hi there, this is Matt from Matt's English, and today, in this video, I would like to explain to you a common English expression. So this expression is a little bird told me, or sometimes we say a little birdie told me. Now, how and why do we use this expression? Well, let me explain. A little bird or a little birdie told me is an expression we use when we know some information or a secret that other people don't know or only some people know. So then we tell another person this information, this secret. It might be something like Jane is having a baby. Tom and Sue are getting married. Oh, you have a new job. So it's special information, secret information. We tell the other person, we tell them the secret, we tell them the information, but we don't tell them how we know. We don't tell them how we know this information or this secret. And we don't tell them who told us, which person told us the information or secret. So why don't we look at some examples to make this expression, a little bird told me, clearer. So here's an example. If you see your friend, you might say, I heard it's your birthday today. And your friend can say, thanks, yes it is. But how did you know that? They're not sure how you know this special information. And you don't want them to know. You want to have a joke with them, you want to play a game, so you say, a little bird told me. How did you know it's my birthday? A little bird told me. So that's one example. Let's now look at another example. If you're at work and you know the boss is going to give us a raise. So a raise means we will get more pay. We will get more money each week. So the boss is going to give us a raise. You tell that to your friends, your colleagues at work. And they say, wow, I hope so. But who told you that? How do you know this information? Maybe you are not allowed, you're not able to tell them how you know this information, or maybe you want to joke with them, you want to play a game. So you say, a little birdie told me. So let's have a look. The boss is going to give us a raise. Wow, I hope so. But who told you that? A little birdie told me. Okay. Now, thank you, and I hope this helps you to understand the English expression, a little bird or a little birdie told me.